In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build an AI cold caller that generates meetings every single day by itself. So you don't have to deal with any trauma of listening to not interested leads, people that don't want to book, or maybe they just hang up on you. The AI is going to have to take care of that, and the trauma is going to be out of your team. So before I start, guys, I'm going to show you how it works and why it works for every single industry. This is a Solar client that we have. First of all, 6,989 calls. So we have around like 30% pickup rate, and you can see we've got 15 meetings booked and 38 people are interested, so we call them callbacks. It means they're interested, but we have to call them back at a convenient time to discuss a meeting that we can schedule. So overall, if you want to point it out, like out of 7,000, that's going to be around 2,100 leads that have picked up the phone with AI. 15 meetings booked, 38 leads interested that the AI is going to call back by itself without us doing anything, right? And these are cold leads. So you can see we're just pitching them on Solar and we're trying to get them in. And if you're in Solar, you know that this is a very good ratio, probably same as the humans, right? And unfortunately, guys, it doesn't work on every industry if you're not talking to the decision maker. This is something that we've realized. So if you're not talking to the person that is going to make the decisions, this system is probably not going to work. But anyway, I'm going to show you another one. And guys, you can see this is another client that we've got. So this K is like 5,900 leads that are called, 412 appointments booked, and these are the total callbacks. So these people are not picking up our phones, or they're saying they're not interested. We're not letting them go. We're calling them back. So you can see this is a callback. And overall, out of this leads, 412 appointments booked. So this is crazy. And let me show you some of the call recordings so you have an idea on how it works. Let's listen to some of these AI recordings. This is a dental clinic client that we have.
Hi, this is Natasha calling from. So am I speaking to Zany?
Yes, this is Sammy.
Hi, Sammy. I'm Natasha from up about the dental survey you completed with us. First, I want to thank you for sharing your dental health journey with. So I see that being tired of dealing with dentures or missing teeth brought you to consider treatment. Is that correct?
That's correct.
I see. And you also mentioned that not being able to eat the foods you love has been affecting you. Is that correct too?
It is affecting me. Yes, that's correct.
I hear you, Sammy. Well, you know, Dr. Benjamin specializes in helping patients just like yourself. I'd like to schedule you for a complimentary consultation with him. Before scheduling the consultation, is there anything else you'd like to know?
Yes. Let me ask you some questions about Dr. Benjamin.
Of course, feel free to ask any questions you have about Dr. Benjamin.
This is an actual sales call guy by an AI.
How many years of experience Dr. Benjamin has been doing this treatments for?
Dr. Benjamin has over 20 years of expertise in the field. He specializes in providing painless, anxiety-free procedures under IV sedation, particularly for medically complex or anxious patients.
So that means that IV sedations are gonna be put to sleep during my procedure?
Yes, that's correct. During your procedure, you'll be under IV sedation, which means you'll be in a relaxed, sleep-like state. This ensures a painless and anxiety-free experience.
Guys,
Dr.
this is an
Benjamin
AI.
specializes in this approach, especially for patients who may feel anxious about dental treatment.
This is a book meeting, so it's going to go on booking the person for a meeting. Let's just skip it a bit.
Perfect. I'll go ahead and schedule your consultation for 9:15 this morning with Dr. Benjamin. You'll receive a text.
Done. Next one. This is another booked appointment.
Hi, this is Natasha calling from. Am I speaking to?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just go to another one. This was actually our own test, my team.
Hi, Kathleen. This is Natasha from. Thanks for calling back. If you remember, you filed out an online dental survey.
Did I?
I apologize. Let me make sure I apologize. I apologize, but I'm not sure about what you mean by she's go ahead, hon. Could you clarify what you're referring to? I'm here to help with any questions or concerns you might have.
I'm sorry, you were blanking out. What did you just say?
No problem, Kathleen. I was just following up on the dental survey you completed with us. You mentioned being tired of dealing with dentures or missing teeth. Does that sound familiar?
Let me tell you. Well, yeah, but let me tell you what I've had done already. I had my. Do you guys do the teeth that are in your mouth permanently, not the ones that snap on?
I see. Yes, we do offer a permanent dental implant solution called ZerTeeth. They're made from premium zirconia and are designed to replace failing teeth or dentures permanently. Unlike snap-on options, ZerTeeth are fixed in your mouth and provide lasting results. Would you like to know more about how they work, or perhaps schedule a consultation?
I already know how they work because I have some.
I see, Kathleen.
Mine is many years ago. I had implant, the posts put in, and then they made the thing to clamp onto them. And I had that for like 7 years, and then my top teeth was regular dental stuff, and I couldn't stand it. So for
Let's just skip it.
I understand, Katie.
That's fine.
Great, Katie. I'll go ahead and schedule your consultation for January 17th, 2025 at 1 p.m. with Dr. Benjamin. You'll receive a text with the details and our location.
Okay. All right. That's great.
Guys, this was booked by an AI. This is working in almost like every industry that we have the decision maker.
This is Natasha calling from Dream.
Let me go to another industry, not this one.
Hello, hallelujah. How have you been?
Hello?
Hi, hallelujah. This is Rose, and I work with the program. Are you still the homeowner of Fifth Girl?
Yes. What company are you in?
I'm with the, and the reason for my call is that there's a new government program that just rolled out in Arkansas. It offers a no-cost, out-of-pocket solar upgrade for homeowners in your neighborhood. With this program, there's a possibility to reduce your electric bill by up to 70%. Has anybody come by to talk to you about this upgrade yet?
No, me.
Guys,
All right,
this
well,
solar
let me
meeting being
explain
booked.
how it works. If you qualify, we can
Like-
replace your
Why would you use normal people? We're calling 5,000 people a day with this specific solar AI.
high electric bill with a much lower and fixed solar bill, which could save you up to 70% or more on your monthly energy costs. To see if this program is a good fit for you, I just need to ask a few quick questions. Would that be okay?
Well, can I ask you a question first?
Of course, hallelujah. What's on your mind?
Is it going to cost me to have the solar panels put on my house?
Great question. The program is designed to be no cost out of pocket for qualified homeowners.
I know out of pocket, but out of pocket could still mean later I have to pay for the installation of these solar panels.
I see what you're saying. That's a fair concern. With this program, you don't pay for the installation itself, either upfront or later. Instead, if you qualify, the program replaces your current electric bill with a lower fixed solar payment. So the savings come from reducing your energy costs.
Let's go.
Days when you'd be available by.
Okay.
I've scheduled your consultation for Saturday, January 25th at 12 p.m. local time.
Guys, these are just meetings being booked over and over, and these are connected to Google Sheets, by the way. So this is how we see their dashboard looking like this, right? For every single client. And this is a vending client which I've played a lot on my videos, and they're doing very good. But basically you get the gist of it, right? So I'm going to show you how you can train the AI, same as we've done, to book an ungodly amount of meetings, right? So let's start. Alright guys, now let me show you how you can actually book an ungodly amount of meetings using these AI cold callers. There's no limit to them. You can like call 200,000 people in a single month if you want to. So the better you train it, the higher the ROI. Like we've had clients that we tripled or even quadrupled the results just by changing their AI offer. So let me tell you how these AI models work. First of all, if you're calling as a salesperson, you're going to be sucking. Let me show you with the actual sample of normal cold callers. Hey, this is John from XYZ Real Estate, and I've got the best property. You need to buy it. I'm a loser. Please buy. I'm very desperate. Please buy. Hang up. This is the typical salesperson. But let's go to the strategy that is going to get you results, and this is something we're implementing for different industries. We have to train the AI to act as a confused old man. What do I mean by this? So instead of being so salesy, you actually act confused. Because if I'm talking to someone and I'm confused, people are not sure if it's a cold call, so they don't hang up. Maybe I'm a customer. Let's go through it. The strategy is going to be like this. A very subtle call. Let's do a sample. Hey, I'm not sure if I'm talking to the right person, but I was looking for your lead generation expert that is running your ads. How do I get in contact with him? So this is if you're trying to actually sell, and most likely the person that we're talking to is the actual person that we're mentioning. Then the guy is gonna say, hey, it's Alex, it's me, how may I help you? And then you start going for your offer. There's gonna be no hang up, no guards, and that's how you break down the conversation. And guys, if you don't have this, it's not gonna work. The reason I'm just talking about the hook right now before you go to the offer is because if you're not using this strategy to open up the conversation, your calls are just gonna end up in hang up, hang up, hang up, and people are just gonna say bye-bye, not interested, thank you. And by using this simple technique, you're gonna be increasing your, you're probably gonna triple your results, just like that, using a strategy like this. So this is very, very important, right? And let's get it down in detail. I'm gonna have this doc for you public, guys, so you can just use it for yourself, don't worry about it. Anyway, you see this is the typical flow. Hi, I'm named from company and I'm calling because, and this is where people hang up. People say, I'm not interested, we already work with someone, no thanks, right? But if you wanna use the old man, confused old man strategy, you say, hi, I'm named, I'm not sure if you're the right person, but I'm looking for someone responsible for addressing potential issues in areas related to your service. Who should I talk to about that? So this format you can literally use for any industry, but make sure you're contacting the decision makers. Don't go through the receptionist, right? And in here, I've got some strategies for follow-ups after on SMS, right? So you can send them these kinds of sequences right after they finish, and this is something we've used for Arab Land Real Estate in Dubai, and we're getting them these results. Guys, if you're interested to learn how to build these systems, we've got a community that shows you exactly how to build these systems step by step, and this is done by my entire team. I show you the automations, the sequences, how to train your AI. You see, I've got like 3 steps just for building this, and we've got different steps here that show you how to do it. And guys, we've got the best systems. Our system do 8 follow-ups. They call back your leads if they're not interested. They do all kinds of things, right? We've got our closer. This is actually Kenzo, my closer. He's showing how to close deals, so it's done by our entire team. We've got YouTube automated systems here. We've got LinkedIn automated lead generation systems. These are the exact things that are being deployed by my team, and it's not me doing them at all. So YouTube automated content, I've got a person that helps me out with it, and he's the one doing the video because it's his specialty, it's not mine. We've got a Twitter lead generation masterclass. All of them are using AI, newsletter automation using AI. So we've got every step, and the purpose is just doing things at a much quicker pace, right? And if you're interested to learn this, just go book it here. And in case you want to join the community, we have a private newsletter. You're only going to get access to the newsletter, so you can join there. And if you want to book a meeting with us, so we install the system within your company, just book a meeting. The calendar link is down below. We're going to be waiting for you. And guys, if you go through this, it's probably going to take you a while to get the result. But if you want our help in like helping you achieve the results, we're going to install it with as little as 7 days with tested methods. So if you're a company and you do have the budget to actually hire us and you don't want to do it yourself, just go book that meeting. We're going to be installing this system with as little as 8 days. Great meeting you guys. Bye-bye.